Are you planning your next adventure and wondering how to stay connected while on the road? Whether you're exploring new cultures, embarking on a business trip, or simply keeping in touch with loved ones, staying connected is a must. In this digital age, there are numerous ways to ensure you remain online and accessible, no matter where your wanderlust takes you. So, join us as we unveil the ultimate guide on staying connected while traveling the world. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel Budget Ventures. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Using local SIM cards. When traveling abroad, using a local SIM card can be a smart choice. Upon arriving at your destination, you can purchase a local SIM card, which will provide you with access to the local mobile network. This means you can make calls, send text messages, and use data at rates that are typically much more affordable than international roaming charges. It's worth noting that you'll receive a new local phone number with this approach, so it's important to inform your contacts about the change. Also, ensure your phone is unlocked to use a foreign SIM card. 2. Portable Wi-Fi devices. Portable Wi-Fi devices, also known as pocket Wi-Fi or MiFi, are small devices that create a Wi-Fi hotspot by connecting to local mobile data networks. These devices can be rented or purchased, often with options for unlimited data or specific data packages. Portable Wi-Fi devices are particularly convenient for travelers who require constant access to the internet, allowing multiple devices such as smartphones, laptops, and tablets to connect simultaneously. However, it's important to consider the initial cost or rental fee and the requirement to return the device if renting.
Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, if you're eager to turn your wanderlust into reality, make sure to explore the goldmine of resources waiting for you in the video description below. I've curated a list of essential links, including budget-friendly airline options, trusted booking sites, a fantastic YouTube course to kickstart your own channel, and even recommendations for reliable travel insurance. Don't miss out on these valuable tools that can elevate your travel game. Simply scroll down and click those links to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Happy travels.
3. International roaming plans. International roaming plans, offered by your home mobile service provider, enable you to use your phone while abroad. To access these plans, contact your provider before your trip to inquire about available packages and associated fees. While these plans offer the convenience of using your existing phone number and device without the need for a SIM card change, they can be costly due to high charges for data usage, calls, and texts. Careful selection of a plan that matches your expected usage is crucial to avoid unexpected expenses. 4. Using messaging apps. Messaging apps like WhatsApp, Viber, and Skype provide an excellent means of communication while traveling without incurring traditional phone call charges. To utilize these apps, download and install your preferred messaging app before your trip and ensure you have access to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Messaging apps allow you to send text messages, make voice and video calls, and share files over the internet. They are often free to use when connected to Wi-Fi, saving you money on international calls and texts. However, it's important to note that an internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data, is required, and both parties need to have the same app installed for communication to work. 5. Staying in Wi-Fi-enabled accommodations. When booking accommodations for your trip, it's a wise choice to seek places that offer free Wi-Fi to guests. This amenity allows you to stay connected without incurring additional costs. Many hotels, resorts, cafes, and public places provide free Wi-Fi access to their guests, making it convenient for you to use your devices. It's always advisable to confirm the availability of Wi-Fi before booking your stay. However, keep in mind that the quality and speed of the Wi-Fi connection can vary from place to place, so it's a good practice to read reviews and check with the accommodation provider regarding their Wi-Fi reliability. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the art of staying connected while traveling. We hope these tips have shed light on how to maintain your digital presence no matter where you roam. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Safe travels and happy exploring.